Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my version of Chicken Florentine. This simple and delicious low-carb recipe is usually accompanied by a cream sauce, but who needs a cream sauce when it makes a wonderful garlic butter sauce all on its own as it bakes? Let's get started. We'll begin by adding 8 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter to a mixing bowl. Add some minced garlic and some dried chives. Use a spatula to blend the ingredients together. Now add 4 ounces of freshly grated parmesan cheese and 4 ounces of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Mix the cheese into the butter. This may take a little time, but keep working at it until it looks something like this. Set it aside as we prep our chicken. Cut 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts in half. Now you can use plastic wrap here, but I prefer to use a heftier freezer bag instead. Just cut each side with the scissors. Place a piece of chicken between the plastic and pound flat until they're about 1/4 inch in size. Repeat until all the chicken is flattened. Season with salt and ground black pepper. Be sure to season both sides. Equally divide the butter and cheese mixture along the top of each piece. Be sure to coat each piece fully. Now place a generous amount of fresh baby spinach over the butter. Gently roll the chicken, tucking in the spinach as we roll. Place the chicken in a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Repeat these steps until all the pieces are done. Bake in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for 35 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. When it's done, you'll see a beautiful garlic butter sauce. Be sure to baste each piece before serving. Plate warm. Add a little more garlic butter over the tops. And enjoy Chicken Florentine, simple and delicious. There you have it, folks, my Chicken Florentine recipe. An easy to make low-carb classic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.